Hey there, seniors and concerned family members. Breaking news just in that could put thousands of extra dollars in your pocket this year. The Treasury Department has just confirmed a massive $4,600 plus an additional $250 direct payout for millions of American seniors. But the big question is, are you going to get yours? Or will you be one of the thousands who miss out because of simple paperwork errors? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal exactly who qualifies and the 3 simple steps you need to take right now to ensure this money reaches your bank account. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on these critical financial updates that could literally put thousands of dollars in your pocket. The announcement came just last week when Treasury officials confirmed what many financial experts have been speculating about for months. With rising inflation and increasing costs of healthcare, the government has greenlit this substantial relief payment specifically targeted at our nation's seniors. But here's what most news outlets aren't telling you: there are specific qualifications you must meet. And if you don't take action by the upcoming deadline, you could be left out entirely. Have you checked if your Social Security number is registered correctly in the system? Did you file the right paperwork with your last tax return? These seemingly small details could be the difference between receiving your $4,600 plus $250 bonus payment or getting nothing at all. Let's break down exactly what this payment entails and who qualifies. The core payment of $4,600 represents an adjustment to Social Security benefits. That accounts for the real cost of living increases we've seen over the past 2 years. The additional $250 is a supplementary payment designed to offset the rising costs of prescription medications and healthcare services. But here's where it gets complicated: not every senior automatically qualifies. You need to have been receiving Social Security benefits for at least 12 months prior to the announcement date. You also need to fall within certain income brackets that the Treasury has established. Have you been keeping track of your reportable income? Do you know which types of retirement distributions count toward these thresholds and which don't? Many seniors are surprised to learn that even their part-time work or certain investment dividends could potentially disqualify them from receiving the full amount. That's why it's crucial to understand exactly how the Treasury Department calculates eligibility. I've spent hours researching the fine print so you don't have to, and what I've discovered will shock you. There are actually little-known exemptions built into the program that can help you qualify even if you initially think you won't. Are you taking advantage of these exemptions? Or are you leaving money on the table that rightfully belongs to you after decades of hard work and paying into the system? The application process itself can be confusing if you don't know what you're doing. Many seniors have reported difficulties navigating the online portal, while others have been misled by scammers trying to capitalize on this announcement. Have you verified that you're using the official Treasury Department website? Are you protecting your personal information while applying for these funds? These security concerns cannot be overlooked in today's digital landscape where seniors are often the primary targets for sophisticated scams. What's particularly interesting about this payout is the timing. Financial analysts believe this move is partially in response to the economic pressures many retired Americans are facing. With housing costs continuing to climb and healthcare expenses rising faster than general inflation, many seniors on fixed incomes have been struggling to make ends meet. Does this payment solve the underlying issues? Probably not entirely, but it certainly provides much-needed relief at a critical time. Have you calculated how this payment could impact your monthly budget? Are there specific expenses you've been putting off that this money could help address? Now let's talk about the distribution timeline. According to Treasury officials, the payments will begin rolling out next month and continue over a 90-day period. Your specific payment date depends on several factors, including the last 4 digits of your Social Security number and whether you normally receive payments via direct deposit or physical check. Have you verified that your banking information is up to date in the Social Security Administration system? Do you know which distribution group you fall into based on your SSN? These details matter tremendously if you want to receive your payment as soon as possible. For those who prefer direct deposit, and I strongly recommend this option, the funds typically arrive 2 to 3 weeks earlier than physical checks. This is especially important given the current delays many are experiencing with mail delivery. But direct deposit also comes with its own set of verification requirements. When was the last time you logged into your Social Security account online to verify your banking details? Has your bank undergone any mergers or system changes that might affect routing numbers? These seemingly small banking details can cause significant delays if not properly updated. Beyond just receiving the payment, it's important to understand how this money might affect your other benefits and tax obligations. Many seniors are concerned that accepting this payment might reduce their eligibility for other assistance programs like Medicare Extra Help or SNAP benefits. I'm happy to report that according to Treasury guidelines, this payment is classified as non-countable income for most federal benefit programs. But what about state-level benefits? Have you checked with your local benefits office to ensure accepting this payment won't disrupt other assistance you may be receiving? There's also the question of taxes. While Social Security benefits are already subject to taxation for many recipients, this special payment falls under slightly different rules. According to the legislation authorizing these payments, the $250 supplementary portion is completely tax-free, regardless of your income level. The $4,600 adjustment, however, follows the standard Social Security taxation guidelines. Do you understand how this might impact your tax liability for the coming year? Have you consulted with a tax professional to optimize your financial planning around this payment? I want to emphasize that time is absolutely of the essence here. The Treasury Department has set a firm deadline for verification of eligibility, and unlike previous benefit adjustments, there appears to be little flexibility built into the system for late applications. The official portal for confirmation opens next Monday, and early applicants will likely receive their payments in the first distribution wave. Have you marked your calendar? Do you have all the necessary documentation ready to complete the verification process? Waiting until the last minute could result in payment delays of 60 days or more. For those of you with elderly parents or grandparents who might struggle with the application process, now is the time to offer your assistance. The verification system requires basic computer navigation skills and access to specific personal documents that some seniors might have difficulty locating or organizing. Can you spare an hour or two to help ensure your loved ones receive the financial support they deserve? Would you want someone to do the same for you when you reach their age? In conclusion, this $4,600 plus $250 direct payout represents a significant financial opportunity for America's seniors, but only for those who take the necessary steps to claim it. The combination of rising living costs and the economic aftermath of recent global events has created unprecedented challenges for those on fixed incomes. This payment acknowledges those challenges and provides tangible support. Are you going to take advantage of this opportunity? Or will you let it slip through your fingers? The choice is yours, but the deadline is approaching quickly. I hope this information helps you secure the financial support you've earned after a lifetime of contribution to our society. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more timely financial updates that could make a real difference in your retirement years.